Today we attended a wedding ceremony of one of our friends, and it's just a blessing na makawitness ng isang love story na alam mong sinulat ni Lord. At habang nasa wedding nga kanina, God reminded me of these two things na gusto ko ring i-share sa inyo. Number one, beauty comes after a process. So sa buhay natin makikita natin na lagi tayong dapat dumaan sa mga proseso. So God allows certain experiences katulad ng joy, ng delays, challenges para i-shape tayo. Lahat ng season na pinagdadaanan natin has a meaning. At number two, we don't see the full picture, but God does. Minsan kasi pinipilit nating intindihin yung mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa buhay natin. And I know na dumarating tayo sa point na yun kasi gusto lang natin masigurado kung ano yung magiging result. But many times, we don't see kung ano yung mga purpose ng ginagawa natin sa ngayon kasi there will come a time na i-reveal ni Lord kung bakit naging ganun yung process, kung bakit kailangan mo pagdaanan yung mga bagay-bagay. So, I just want us to be reminded na minsan kailangan natin to simply just trust the Lord and trust the process kasi hindi lagi nating maiintindihan and it's not our job actually to figure everything out kasi we have to trust in the Lord. Sabi nga sa Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 11, He has made everything beautiful in its time. So trust God and trust that His timing is perfect. God bless you.